Morning, glad you made it.
Hey there, long weekend.
Ready for the shift?
Subscribe my channel.
Lot number 45B. Does it align with the certificate of origin?
Yes, it checks out here on the tablet.
The site's permit number here doesn't match the origin record.
Let me check the harvest date.
There is a blemish right here on the side.
All right, I'll mark it down. The rest looks good.
The scales are uneven on this part. It should be graded as secondary.
Yes, I see the inconsistency in the pattern here as well.
Look at the quality on this one. Beautiful. That's a definite premium.
Temperature is steady at 35. Time check, almost 2 hours.
pH is coming in at 8.2, right on target.
Chemical neutralization and enzyme baths soften the fibers and open the skin structure.
Guide it to the center. Okay, easy now.
Ready for the drop.
The scale reads exactly 50 kilograms.
Noted. Proceed with the pour.
The gauge reading confirms the mix is stable.
Perfect, the consistency is exactly where we need it.
Shrinkage is at 3%. The uniformity here on the hood looks good.
I agree. The dye uptake is excellent on this batch.
The caliper reading confirms the shrinkage rate is acceptable.
And the color uptake is perfectly uniform across the hide. I'll log the data now.
The alignment here is perfect.
Yes, the pattern clarity is exceptional on this batch. The alignment here looks perfect. Confirmed on the tablet. The pattern clarity is exceptional.
Chemical fixation locks in color, and careful rinsing removes excess dye inside the snake leather factory. Chemical fixation lock in color, and careful rinsing removes excess dye inside the snake leather factory.
If we shift it slightly, the pattern repeats here. Yeah.
That works. The texture is much cleaner.
Align it right here. See the scale line? That's where we cut.
Got it. I'll mark the outline now.
Are the tolerances within spec?
Yes, manager. The adhesion is perfect.
Excellent.
subscribe my channel.